In this problem, we want to split the array into a few different shipments. I don't know if this is gonna be a right answer, but maybe we can try to go through the array, just to go through an array and count the number of shipments. For this one, at the beginning we can set a max flag first. Max is number 2, then max is number 5. When we see the third element in the array, which is number 1, which is less than 5, the current max. So up till now we have the first shipment. That's how we tell if it is a balanced shipment or not. We need a max current.